Okay, breaking news just coming in. Hearing in the Rajasthan High Court has resumed at the moment. The verdict on pilot's plea against the Speaker's disqualification notice is going to come out very shortly. We're standing by for it. Dev Ankur Vadhavan is now joining us for all the very latest. Dev, bring us up to speed. Hearing has resumed again. Anytime moment now. The verdict is expected on Sachin Pilot's plea against Speaker's disqualification notice. Dev. Dev, are you being able to hear me?
करो पैच करो यार.
Dev, can you hear me? All right, Dev is going to be joining us in just about a bit, but this is what is happening as far as the Rajasthan political circus is concerned. The hearing in the Rajasthan High Court has resumed at the moment. The verdict is going to be out on pilot's plea against Speaker's disqualification notice. Dev is joining us for all the very latest. Dev, I'm going to throw straight across to you to bring us up to speed to the very latest. All eyes now on the verdict on pilot's plea.
Oh, well, absolutely, Cheti. All arguments in the case have concluded and the verdict can be out any moment now. The double bench, Indrajit Mohanty and Prakash Gupta, who have been hearing the matter for the past 4 days, have concluded all hearings in the case, and the verdict can come out shortly from now. In fact, there were two additional petitions, joining petitions, one from Vimal Chaudhary and the other from Mr. Bhandari, which the court was hearing, and mentioned that the court has mentioned that this is not a public interest litigation, so why should we have additional parties to the case? The court may go ahead and reject their plea in the case. So what can happen in moments from now is the court's verdict can be out. The pilot group is expecting that the petition filed by the notices issued by the Rajasthan Assembly is quashed, and if that happens, that can be construed as a minor victory for the pilot group, and then it can decide its future course of action. On the other hand, if the court goes ahead and quashes the petition itself, which has been filed by Sachin Pilot and other rebel MLAs, then that can be, troublesome for the pilot group. The pilot group can then be at the doorsteps of the Rajasthan
Absolutely. So let's wait for that verdict to come out. Dave, continue to stay with us. We're getting some more breaking news that is coming in. We'll have to cut straight across to it. The breaking news about Gehlot camp MLAs at Fairmont Hotel in Jaipur. Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has hit out and has tweeted that when it's time to fight COVID, you are playing Antakshari. This is the time to feed the poor. You are learning how to cook Italian food. People of Rajasthan are alert and are watching. Unquote. This is a direct attack coming in at all the MLAs who were seen on video as well, learning how to cook, watching those movies. So the Gehlot camp MLAs are at Fairmont Hotel in Jaipur. The Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat takes a jibe at all these MLAs that you see across your screen who are watching movies and learning how to cook as well. He's put out a tweet and said that when it's time to fight COVID, you are busy playing Antakshari. Dev Ankur Vadhavan with us. Dev, of course, we've seen Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and, a lot of leaders taking jibe at the Congress party as well. Yet another jibe coming the way of the Gehlot camp.
Well, yes, several leaders have alleged that while the state is in the grip of a pandemic. In fact, yesterday, for the first time, the cases reached around 1,000 in Rajasthan. These MLAs, these lawmakers are having a gala time, playing Antakshari, indulging in yoga, cookery sessions, and flouting various norms of social distancing, of wearing masks. And even as the state suffers from such large number of coronavirus cases, the government clearly is being run at this point in time from a five-star hotel with little concern for the people of the state and for the people whom they were elected to represent and, cater to. At this point in time, it is quite apparent that the government, the Ashok Gehlot government, has its priorities somewhere else. They want to save the government. They feel that the government is under a crisis situation, and rather than catering to people's needs and ensuring that the health infrastructure is spruced up, the government is trying to, save itself, and the MLAs are busy having a gala time rather than catering to the needs of the
Absolutely.
people and
Maushami
helping
Singh,
them
who
out.
tracks the Congress
JP?
party very closely, also is joining us. Maushami, how does the Gehlot camp react to all these allegations that are coming in at the moment? Of course, there's no scope of them bearing the hatchet anymore, but Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, the Jal Shakti minister, hitting out at the Gehlot camp.
You know, all hell has broken loose here in the canvas and landscape of Rajasthan politics, and we are stationed right outside the Fairmont Hotel, where all the ministers would be leaving shortly for the cabinet briefing that's about to happen at 3 o'clock. So the Gehlot government, on the other hand, trying to send a message that the functioning of the state is happening, all the executive decisions are being taken, there is no hindrance, and the allegations of the Gehlot government being run from the hotel is absolutely false. We remember yesterday when we spoke to the health minister of Rajasthan, he said that we are taking continuous meetings, and it is in fact not true that the Gehlot government is functioning from the hotel. Even on Sundays, we've taken tabs and updates from the officers concerned. But that is true that the entire government, the image of the government has taken a beating at a time when the
Please, Maushami, stay with us right there. More breaking news coming in. Breaking news is about the inside details that we've got of what Ashok Gehlot told his loyalist MLAs at Fairmont Resort during the MLAs meeting. Gehlot told MLAs to stick together like a rock. He said, whether Congress party or the BJP, nobody wants